Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all to this online revision classes on this day of 15th May 2020. So here I am with all my team, those who are going to take your online classes for coming 1 month. So here is the team. So we have Nidhi ma'am with us looking after the online principalship. We have Achna ma'am looking after the online vice principalship along with the teaching of maths class and science and EVS, whatnot. And we have Prerna Mehta ma'am who is taking our English and EVS for young classes. Then we have Ankita for taking up English for big classes. Then we have Zarina ma'am, she's the vice principal to Cover Nagar second shift. And here she is taking our Sanskrit, SST, life skill, and few Hindi classes. Then we have Kalpana ma'am and Pooja ma'am and Mohit sir, again as a part of this online team who is going to take your classes. So let's meet the team we have. So I will like Nidhi to talk about herself. So this is Nidhi and me. Yes, Nidhi, over to you. Are you excited for your online classes? We are not getting your voice. Unmute yourself.
Okay, so now is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so yes, ma'am, I am very excited to go for the online classes. This is something different from the offline. The kids is going to learn new things, new creativity will be there where kids will be learning the things. So yes, I am very excited.
So this is the first introduction class we have where we are wanting team to talk about themselves. So Nidhi, about myself, I am Deepika Manglani, the director for Dolphins Group of School, and I'm welcoming all the students here. Something from my education, I am chartered accountant, but not into profession. I love students. I love kids basically, and I love to work with them. About my hobbies, I love dancing, I love cooking, I love reading. So these are my hobbies which am doing. I'm busy with in this lockdown period. And about my family, I have a small nuclear family. My husband Jagdish and my two kids, Moksh and Param. So the purpose of my life is to help others and to be happy. That's the mission I'm carrying for myself. Over to you, Nidhi.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I am Nidhi Bhatia, working as an from the HR department in HO, and also as well from the Raja Park branch. And if I'm going to talk about my education, I have done MCA and GNIT course from the NIIT. So my schooling is from the Jaipur itself, and graduation I have done from the Rajasthan University. And if I'm going to talk about my family, I am belong to a middle class family where I have my mother, father, and sister. So I have a very small, loving family. My hobbies are to do the gardening. I have a lot of plants at my home, though I haven't cultivate my hobby too much, but yes, I love plants. I normally go and buy a lot of plants and have a lot of things over there. So apart from this, and I will be taking care as the online classroom as in principal. So I would request all my students, anytime if they are having any concern or any query, they can come and talk to me.
Okay, it was
So
nice
over to
knowing
you,
you,
ma'am.
Nidhi, and I think Archana, you can give her some classes for gardening so that we all learn some gardening from Nidhi.
Yes,
Okay, so
Yes,
I'm
we have
sure.
Archana with
I
us.
can take a help for the science classes also. I can take tips for the gardening from ma'am.
Yes, so we have Archana with us, who is the vice principal for this online class, and as well as she's the vice principal for Rajabag Center. So yes, Archana, anything you have to say about yourself?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity. Good morning, students. Myself, Archana Nag, Vice Principal for your online classroom, welcomes you all in this online world. I have completed my MSc in Computer Science from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth. Then I completed my MBA in HR and Finance, and I associated with Dolphins since 2014. About my family, I live in a joint family with my in-laws, husband, two kids. Both kids are studying in MPS International School. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to spend my time by listening music, dancing, cooking, or interacting with my kids. In your online classes, I'm going to teach you maths from 5th to 8th standard, EVS and 5th standard, and then science from 6th to 8th standard. And I always available for you whenever you are having any query, you are having any doubt, I'll there to resolve you. So all the best for your classes, and thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Archana, for giving your time and energy. So we have Archana, a vice principal for online classes, taking up a few important things like she is taking math, she's taking science, and she's taking EVS also for a few classes. So versatile classes right now. Okay, so we have Kalpana. Can we have your video on, Kalpana, and your mute also off? Kalpana, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am, I can listen to you. Ma'am,
Up
I
to
just want 5 minutes more time.
Okay, so by the time you're ready, I'm calling Ankita ma'am and
Thank you.
Prerna. Okay, so we have two beautiful girls with me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, let me. Okay, Prerna and Ankita. So we have you people with us right now, and Prerna is taking English for classes first and second, and EVS for the same classes, and Ankita is taking English from third to eighth class. So yes, over to you girls. Prerna, you can start. Prerna, you are mute, I think. Yes, now.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity so that I can teach our kids online. And for myself, if I talk about, my name is Prerna Mehta. I'm academic coordinator for Rajapak branch for pre-primary and working as a counselor also. Uh, I have done my master's in English literature and working with Dolphins family from last 6 years. Being a person, if I talk about, I have just got married 5 months before, and I have a lovely family. I am in a joint family now, and my husband is really a lovely, loving person, and I love to be with kids, and I am really very happy that I am back to the education field where I am here to teach my lovely kids. So I am here to teach class 1 and 2 English and EVS for class 1 to 4. So I invite all my kids to join the classes with all of us on regular basis. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Prerna. Yes, over to you, Ankita.
Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. Hello, everyone. Hello, students. I hope you all are safe. So, this is Ankita Arora. I'm currently working in Dolphins from last 6 months. And if I'll talk about my graduation, I've completed my graduation in Bachelor's in Commerce from Rajasthan University. and I've completed my master's in journalism and mass communication from Manipal University. And currently, I'm pursuing PhD, and I'm taking classes in English from 3rd to 8th class. I hope you all will enjoy. Thank you.
I really came to know something very important and something very interesting about Ankita, that she is a photographer. Can you
Yes,
discuss
my
something
hobbies.
about it? For
Yes, I'll. So basically, my hobbies are photography. I'm intermediate in that.
Okay, so we can hold some class for you as well. So
Yes,
thank you,
ma'am, for
Ankita.
sure.
Nice knowing you, and your kids will be waiting to see you on a regular basis with online
Yes,
classes.
ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's meet Zarina. Yeah, thank you. Let's meet Zarina ma'am and Pooja ma'am. I think I'm not able to connect Pooja ma'am. Hello, Zarina. How are you? You're mute.
Hi, hi, ma'am, all of you.
Yeah, hello, Zarina.
Uh,
So this is our introduction class.
I thank you, ma'am, for giving this
Yes.
opportunity at the time of lockdown time. As I haven't seen in my life till yet this lockdown time. This is the first time I think so that we are locked from last 2 months here, and we have started our online classes. This is great to us, as in other schools also it's going on. But as you have taken the Mastiki Pathshala days continuously, that was very good. I got the feedback from the parents, from my neighbors also. They were all the time online for yours, that yes, the Mastiki Pathshala will be there, and at the before 10 o'clock at 9:30 they are ready, ma'am. It will be again at the Mastiki Pathshala. No, then today only I said no. From 15th of May we will be starting the academics. Now, so after lot of 15 days of Mastiki Pathshala, come to our academics. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to us. So basically, thank you, ma'am, once again. Hi, I'm Zaina Khan, and I'm vice principal of Kawar Nagar branch of Dolphin School. In online class, I'm teaching. I will be a teacher, and I will give you Hindi of first and seventh, and SST of sixth, seventh, eighth. So it will be great chance to me for teaching on online. If I share my introduction about, I'm a married person and I have 4 daughters. One is doctor in homeopathy, and second is CA, and third one just passed out the 12th standard, and the fourth one is in 8th standard. I love to live in joint family. I like to stitch, and I am a national player kabaddi. I like games very much. I don't like music, I don't like dancing, but I like games. If you say in right now, ma'am, can we play? I am all the time, 24 hours, I am ready to play games. So I like very much, but unfortunately, I got accident last year. I met an accident and fractured at my leg. So now I can't jump or play very well, but I'm very excited to play every time. It may be the indoor game, it may be outdoor game. Every time I like kids very much. I can't see anyone that are crying. I am every time humble to them कि कुछ भी हो जाए उनके लिए हमें कुछ करना है. So this ma'am has given me chance again to teach online classes. So again I am very excited to teach to you, to students. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Zarina, and all of you should know that Zarina is also given one more responsibility for giving you activities. So every week she has to plan one activity for you all. And that is the time where she has to utilize this game and sports instinct. So she has to be creative online what type of game she wants to play. So there are a lot of quizzes which Zarina ma'am is going to take for you all in the coming week. So thank you, Zarina. And now I invite Pooja ma'am and Kalpana ma'am. Yeah, thank you. And Mohit sir as well. So anybody who is ready who can talk. So yes, Mohit, over to you.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
Yes, hello.
So, how all the kids are doing and how all the teachers are doing in this lockdown? I hope everyone is fine, enjoying their quarantine.
It was all good. So we cannot call it quarantine. It is just lockdown. So we are locked down at our home, at our houses. But
But
yes, we want these kids to be little active, and that is why we are starting with their academics from 15th as a revision class for all those people, those who have missed their education from 25th of March till 15th of April.
yeah, as
So
I
Mohit
can
is
see,
with us
yeah,
as a
ma'am.
very important core member for the automation, and he is helping and training all our teachers to get into online and how much beneficial it can be. This is all belongs to Mohit, and Mohit sir is looking after our computers also. But that computer will come in picture from 1st of June. So otherwise, he will be there whenever we need him for online classes. Yet Mohit, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for such a nice introduction. And it's all not because of me; it's because of our team, as we are doing lots of efforts to bring people online. And I request all the kids also to be online, get your classes, get your knowledge. And one more thing, I would like to introduce few things. Like the few many people knows me already. That's just kids of Raja Park DHS, but few don't know me. So I would like to introduce myself, Mohit Agarwal. I have completed my BTech from RA College of Engineering and Research Center in computer science branch only. So I love computers and all the things related to computer. So and I love to teach kids. I'm teaching kids from about 4 or 5 years from last 4 or 5 years. So it's my hobby to teach people. I don't I it, Age is just a number for me to teach. I love to teach everyone whosoever want to get the knowledge. So I love to teach everyone, even my parents, to take a few classes. Like they want to learn few things from me, how to manage a smartphones and all those things. So it's a very great opportunity for me to teach here to you all with Dolphins of School. And as ma'am has told you that I'm taking care of your computer science, and with that I'm taking care of your technical help also. So I will request you all to get into your classes, take all the possible things like Google Meet, Google Classrooms, be online, take your classes, and get your knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mohit. And now we are left with two teachers. One is Pooja ma'am, who is taking our Hindi for the entire online class, along with Zarina ma'am. And I think I'm not able to connect to her video. And then we have Kalpana Chopra ma'am from Rajapak. She will be taking our maths classes and some life skill class with me. Hello, Kalpana. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, all good. So, Kalpana ma'am will be taking our maths and our life skill classes. So, yes, over to you, Kalpana ma'am. You are the last one to introduce yourself to your entire class. So, you have 1 minute and then we are done with this video.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to these online classes. And I'll introduce myself. I'm Kalpana Chopra, and I'm going to take the maths. I'm your maths teacher. I will take maths from class 1 to 4. And I'll talk about my education. I have done BSc, and I've also done BEd from the Geeta Bajaj Institute, Jaipur. And I live in joint family. I have two kids, a son and a daughter. My daughter is in St. Xavier School. She's in 12th, and my son is in MPS International, and he is in second class now. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I love to cook. I love watching TV, and I love spending time with my kids. And I love to teach the students as I want to clear all the basics of the students. Generally, they get in the subject like maths and science. So I'm very grateful for having these online classes. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity for taking these classes, which are starting from 15th of May. And I really want to my students them to attend the classes regularly, and also if they get any problem they can ask to me at any point of time. And I also expect from my students that they should also complete their assignments on time. So hope you keep yourself safe by taking safety measures. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So it was the team online who has introduced themselves to you all. Thank you, all the team. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to teachers. Good luck to dear students for learning. Making learning fun is the motto Dolphins is having, and bringing out the best out of from the student. So I expect each one of you to play your role and get the best out of yourself. Thank you.